In this video, I'm going to show you how to make buy button bigger on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. In case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins available right now. It's packed with a lot of premium features that are completely for free on here, such as the wallet tracker, the Twitter tracker. They have a great P&L tracker, they have an amazing reward system, they have top-notch filters over here so we can filter through different coins inside the new pairs, final stretch, and then migrated. You can set your own presets for slippage, priority, and bribe fees for both buy and sell settings. They have an amazing turbo mode which basically processes transactions faster for quicker fills, etc. So as I said, check it out, you will not regret it. Now, to actually make the buy button bigger, here's how you have to do it. Of course, you want to go to polls over here, and this over here is the buy button. Of course, you likely know it's currently a bit small, so let's fix this. What you have to do is basically just 2 clicks, go to display up here, and then you can see quick buy. It's small right now, you can make it large, or you can make it the biggest, which is mega. Now this has been added in the latest update, and as you can see, you can buy with that button quite quickly, and there's literally no way you're gonna miss it because it's just so huge. Now that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.